Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Honda Odyssey. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral. Carefully position the working vehicle close enough for the cables to reach, but ensure the vehicles do not touch each other. This prevents any accidental short circuits or damage. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take one end of the red positive cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Next, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, take one end of the black negative cable and connect it to the negative terminal of the donor battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative cable to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block or chassis of the dead Honda Odyssey, away from the battery. Once all cables are connected, start the donor vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After this, try starting your Honda Odyssey. To disconnect the cables safely, reverse the connection order. First, remove the black negative cable from the unpainted metal surface of your Honda Odyssey. Then, disconnect the black negative cable from the donor vehicle's negative battery terminal. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, remove the red positive cable from the donor battery, followed by the red positive cable from your Odyssey's battery. Your vehicle should now be ready to drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.